An international conference on agriculture in hilly and mountain landscape, an interdisciplinary perspective, was held today at the College of Postgraduate Studies in Agricultural Sciences, Umiam. Dr. Dinesh Kumar Marothia, President ISAE Mumbai, attended the program as the chief guest. Addressing the event, Marothia said that this conference will play a pivotal role in the ongoing quest for sustainable agricultural practice. During the function, a number of books and publications were also released.
A big hand for them, ladies and gentlemen.
So when I proposed this conference to Dr. Anupam Mishra, I have myself done some basic homework that this is the region, if you compare all the 7 states of the Northeast, and just compare the geographical area of these states, it will exceed to many small countries. And it is such a diversified, land ecosystem, the mountain ecosystem, that we thought that this is the best place to debate about the hill and mountain agriculture system.
As part of the nationwide Audit Divas,